Hey everybody, Jim King with King Piers, back over here in Mission, Kansas. We're getting close to wrapping this job up, folks. We've got all of our holes dug. Piers are going to go in the holes today. Straightening the wall tomorrow, putting in the wall braces. We'll be in and out of here by Thursday, so stay tuned. We keep the very neatest job sites. I'll tell you, the only mess we've got is out in the front yard, and that's going to be hauled off tomorrow, the excess dirt. But we have just really rock and rolled on this project, like we do on most of them. It was very tight in here, but the homeowners really did a nice job of moving everything out of our way, making it convenient for us. So, yeah, we should be out of here by Thursday, I would think. Then we're going to head to Pleasant Hill, raise the porch there, and then start our big job Wednesday over in North Kansas City. King Piers, 816-521-8915. You can always catch us on our website, kingpiers.com. Give us a call. I believe we are the very best in the nation at what we do. Follow us on YouTube. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe. We appreciate it. Thank you.